Dude, if he fucking jumped, oh my. What the fuck are you doing?
The true. Oh.
Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel. Kennel.
What's this? Whoa. Whoa. Do we know who did this, Katie? Why?
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
How does she not get electrocuted? Did you get electrocuted?
But by God, he can point a bag of dill pickle chips.
Bad dog.
What is this? Yeah? Did you have to do it?
Who did